channel. I'm Ashley Morse, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. And in this video, we are wrapping up our series on systems of equations word problems. Now, if you're having a hard time translating these, or if you just want more practice translating, please go back and watch the videos in my just regular linear equation word problems, okay? Now with this one, we can do this without a system of equations, but since it's in the system of equations section of our book or of our class or whatever, I'm going to do it as a system, okay? The length of the short side of a triangle is 4 less than the middle side. The long side is double the length of the middle side. The perimeter is 22 inches. How long is each side? So I'm going to kind of draw a little picture. Long side, short side, middle side. So my short side, I'm going to use an S. Be careful. You don't want it to look like a 5. Here's my middle side, and then here's my long side over here. The short side is 4 less than the middle side. Remember, when it's less than, we have to subtract it from the end. And the long side is double the middle side. So I'm going to call that 2m. So these are some of my equations. There's 2 of my equations. Now this one has 3 equations because there are 3 variables. And then we know the perimeter is 22. So the long side plus the middle side plus the short side gives me my perimeter. These are my 3 equations. Some people can skip and go straight to just one equation for all this, and that's okay. I'm going to show you what that looks like too. So this is my long side. I don't know anything about the middle side, and then this is my short side, so it's going to go right there, and that equals 22. Some people can go straight to that equation from the picture. That's fine, but since this is a system of equation problem, I wanted to actually show the system. Now let's combine like terms. That gives me 4m minus 4 equals 22. We're going to add 4 to both sides. And I'm going to go ahead and warn you, this is going to be a decimal, but that is okay. Then we divide that by 4. And m equals, if I divide that by 2, it's 13. And then divide by 2 again, that's going to give me 6.5. So the middle is 6.5 inches. Don't forget your units. Come over here and we can plug it in to find the short side and the long side. The short side is the middle side minus 4. That's going to give me 2.5. That was the short. 2.5 inches. And then the long, I have to double it. 6.5 times 2. That's going to be 13. And if you add all those back up, I get 8, 9, I get 22 inches. So yeah, it worked out. That's a great way to check it, is to go back and add it up and make sure you get the right perimeter. Okay, I've got one more for us. Okay, this is our last system of equations word problem for this series. And a store is having a sale. 4 shirts and 2 pairs of pants were $72.50, and a shirt and 3 pairs of pants were $57.50. How much was each item? So I'm going to say that I'm going to use H instead of S. S looks too much like a 5. So H is going to be the cost of a shirt, and P is going to be the cost of pants. Just one. Ooh, yeah, whatever. So let's say 4 shirts plus 2 pairs of pants were $72.50, and 1 shirt and 3 pairs of pants were $57.50. Okay, so this one I cannot just do elimination. I could do substitution if I rearrange it a little bit. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to get H by itself. Let's subtract 3P right here. And that will give me that H equals $57.50 minus 3P. Then I can take this and plug it in right there. Let me switch colors again. See if this blue works. 4 times that whole cost plus 2P equals $72.50. Now, I don't want to make a mistake, and I want to save a little bit of time in our videos so they're not taking forever, so I am going to use a calculator to multiply. That's going to give me 230 minus 12P plus 2p equals 7250. Now, if you're not allowed to use a calculator, make sure you're doing that by hand. I'm going to combine like terms right here. It's going to give me negative 10p. Now I can subtract 230. Negative 10p equals negative 157.50. Then I divide that by negative 10, and I'm going to get that a pair, let me write my work down. Divide by negative 10, and each pair of pants is going to be $15.75 for each pair of pants. But I don't want just the pants. I want the shirts too. So I'm going to come over here. I could technically use this yellowy green one. I'm going to use the pink one just in case, okay? I don't want to make any silly mistakes. So I'm going to take this right here and plug it in right here. H plus 3 times 1575 is going to give me 5750. And again, I'm going to do this on the calculator so that I don't make silly mistakes, and also I save us some time in our video. So that gives me 4725, and then I'm going to subtract 4725 from both sides. $57.50 minus 47.25 is going to give me $10.25. Ooh, I'm running out of space. For each shirt. I hope that was helpful. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We'd love to get you set up with some tutoring with our certified math teachers. Also, make sure you like and subscribe so you always see when we post the latest and greatest math content. Have a great day.